You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this scientific name, the name of this plant or flower, a type of Nymphaea. Nymphaea is how it is said. The species name is pronounced in English as Nouchali, Nouchali, or Nouchali in Latin, Nouchali. Nymphaea Nouchali or Nouchali. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.